What if you could follow your customers across the internet and turn clicks into sales automatically? You won't believe what happens next when you see how AdRoll works. AdRoll is a marketing automation and retargeting platform that helps businesses reach people who have already visited their website. Instead of cold ads, AdRoll focuses on reminding visitors to come back and complete a purchase. I tested AdRoll for a small online store. After connecting the website, AdRoll tracked visitors and showed them ads across social media and other websites. Most people get this wrong, but here's why retargeting works. People rarely buy the first time they visit. AdRoll keeps your brand visible until they are ready. The platform also provides analytics, audience targeting, and automated campaigns. The surprising truth is that retargeted visitors are much more likely to convert than first-time visitors. If you want to grow your business with smarter ads, AdRoll is a powerful tool. Subscribe for more honest marketing tool reviews. Title start Pluto honest review watch before using title BND script start what if your business could pay bills and collect payments without spreadsheets, late fees, or endless email chains. Most people get this wrong, but here's why Pluto is more than just another payment tool and why you should watch before using it. Pluto is a cloud-based payment platform designed for small and medium-sized businesses that want to automate accounts payable and receivable. Instead of logging into your bank, sending wires, and manually reconciling transactions, Pluto connects directly to your bank and accounting software to move money and sync records automatically. I tested Pluto for paying vendors, approving bills, and receiving customer payments. The setup starts by connecting your business bank account and your accounting software, like QuickBooks or Xero. Once connected, you can import bills, set up approval workflows, and schedule payments in just a few clicks. The surprising truth about Pluto is how much time it saves. Manual payment processing can take hours each week. With Pluto, payments are batched, approvals are tracked, and everything is logged in one place. Most people think automation is complicated, but here's why Pluto feels simple. You see every payment before it goes out, and you control who can approve or release funds. Pluto supports bank transfers, checks, and international payments, which makes it useful for companies with remote vendors. It also sends automatic remittance details, so vendors know exactly what they were paid for. That alone reduces support emails and payment confusion. There are monthly subscription fees, plus small transaction costs, so it is not for very tiny businesses. But if you process many payments, the time and error savings can easily justify the cost. If you want a smarter way to manage business payments, Pluto is worth serious consideration. If this helped you, subscribe for more honest business software reviews.